Toyota Supra, a sports car with a rich history that spans decades. It's a car that has been celebrated for its iconic design and legendary performance. But what if we told you that there's more to this car than meets the eye? In this video, we're going to explore the unseen potential of the Supra. We're going to show you what makes this car special and why it continues to captivate car enthusiasts around the world. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk about the Supra's aerodynamics. The lines of this car are not just for show, they serve a purpose. The Supra's exterior is meticulously crafted to minimize wind resistance and promote optimal airflow. The result? Peak performance and impressive speed. But the Supra isn't just about speed. It's also about precision. The Supra's handling is unparalleled, thanks to its finely tuned suspension system, aerodynamic body, and responsive steering. Every inch of this car is designed to provide the driver with control and confidence on the road. So, if you're looking for a car that's equal parts style and substance, look no further than the Supra. Thanks for watching our video on the unseen potential of the Supra. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more content like this.